Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 2, Day 2. So we're going to begin with some phonemic awareness. That is where you're going to listen to the sounds and put them together. So I'm going to say 3 sounds and you're going to blend it. N, et, net. Okay, let's do a couple more. O, et, let. P, ot, pot. B, ack, back. Ip, chip, z, oo, zoo, t, ot, tot. Okay, nice job. So we're going to keep going. So we're going to review some of these. Now remember, we've been working on variants of ah. So instead of writing ah, we're going to be having different spellings. I will underline the ah, and then I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Fall. 3, 2, 1. Paw. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Fault. 3, 2, 1. Talk. 3, 2, 1. Claw. 3, 2, 1. Caught. 3, 2, 1. Mall. 3, 2, 1. Lawn. 3, 2, 1. Cause. Okay, friends, so let's look at the straw card. These show variants of ah. So we have A, which says ah, AW says ah, AU says ah, AUGH says ah, AL says ah, but AL can either say ah or all. And then we have OUGH, which sometimes says ah, like taught, thought, or bought. So AL says ah, as in wall. AW says ah, as in paw. AU says ah, in cause. AUGH says ah, in caught. AL says ah, in talk. So let's blend some of these. Remember, we're working on variants of ah, which is the ah sound. Blend. Dr, ah. The word is draw. W, ak. The word is walk. W, ah. Oh, this is ah. This is ah as well. Wash. So sometimes a by itself can say ah, because we don't say wash, we say wash. Okay? J, blend. Jaw. The word is jaw. Okay? Blend. The word is jaw. So this is your jaw. Okay. Ought. Blend. Put it together. Caught. All. Haul. The word is haul. So if I'm hauling something, I'm moving it. Okay. Let me move down here. Let's blend. Ch. Awk. The word is chalk. Crawl. The word is crawl. So we have our ah and our ah. Awk. The word is hawk. Sauce. Remember that sneaky C. Sauce. Wall. Put it together. Wall. Ought. Taught. Small. Word is small. Talk. The word is talk. Salt. Salt. So once again, our A says ah. Y. Blend. Yawn. Sound is ah. Yawn. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Saw. AW says ah. Change the s to o. Law. Change. Add an n to the end. So law. N. Change the ol to d. Dawn. Change the d to der. Drawn. That means you. She had drawn a picture. She drew a picture. Okay. Remove the n. Cover up the n. Draw. Change the der to Raw. Change the to jaw. Jaw. Here's your jaw. change the j to p, paw. Add s to the end of the word. Pause, like you pause the TV. Change the p to k, cause. Change the k to claws. Remove the s, claw. Change the kl to k and add an ul to the end. So this is going to be k and then ul. It'd be call. Change the k to w. Oh, sorry. Change the k to w, and change the ul to k. So walk. That one was a little tricky. Change the w to t, talk. Okay. So we're going to look at some spellings, but we're just going to blend these. Let's blend together. La. The word lawn. The word is lawn. Blend. Bald. Now remember, al can either say or all, like always. So this is ald, bald. Fall. Okay. Remember all these, just say one sound. Caught. Fault. Okay, let's read a sentence. Remember this is he taught her to draw. Okay, let's read a story. So this says Paul's paw. So this must be Paul, the dog, and look, it looks like his paw's hurt. Okay, here are some words we'll see. Once, because, today, does, they, picture, could, friend, and here's the story. So once again, I'll be marking the sounds. Paul's paw. Lou had a dog named Paul. When Paul plays, he can hurt himself. Once he hurt his jaw, so that's his mouth, his jaw, because he chewed a hard toy. Today, Paul hurt his paw. Poor Paul. Lou had to call his mother, father, and brother to come and help. Then Dad put Paul in his car and that means he took him, hauled him to the vet. The vet saw Paul's paw and said, I think Paul's paw will be fine, but he may have to crawl a bit, so he can't walk for a minute. Okay. Lou felt awful. He had to pause so that he would not bawl because he feels like crying. Lou said, Paul is my best friend. I love him. It is my fault that he got hurt. The vet said, no, Lou. Paul is a super dog, but dogs get hurt. At least he does not have the flu. They took Paul home to get some rest. Lou drew a picture of the vet in a blue suit. Lou said, I think that vet is a cool gal. Woof barked. Oh. No, that's not one. Woof barked Paul with a grin. Lou could tell that Paul was on the mend. Lou hugged his big dog friend. Okay, so right now we're going to talk about the letters ow stand for the vowel team sound. Ow. It can be ow or o, but today we're talking about ow. So when you see the letters for a vowel spelling in a word, the letters act as a team. So OW stays together. So let's read this. Downtown. So it's a compound word. Downtown. Put it together. Downtown. Okay? So let's look at some other vowel teams that stay together. We have AI. They stay together, as in rain, bow. Oh, rain. And then we have OW that stays together. So we have AI that says A and OW that says O. This time it says O. Rainbow. Okay, a W can say ah. They stay together. They're a vowel team, and it's drawing. And that's not a compound word because we wouldn't go draw ing. Ing is not a word. So rainbow is a compound, but drawing is not. Let's look at the next one. OA says O. So we have OA says O, and OU says ow. So boat, house. And that one is a compound word. Boat, house, boathouse. Okay, let's look at a few more words. Let's see if we can find that vowel team. These are two vowels put together. And sometimes Y counts as a vowel as well. So our vowel team here is OY, joy, joyful. And then let's find our vowel team. That only has one vowel. Oh, there are two. EA, repeat. And that's not a compound word because re is not a word by itself. Then we have AU, because we have a vowel here, but there's no other vowel. They have to have two vowels. It has to be two vowels put together. Hauling, and then, ooh, I see two vowel teams. I see AI and OA. Rail, road. Okay, so here are our high frequency words. Brother, this is a picture of Tom's brother Tim. Father, Jake's father and mother coach his baseball team. Friend, my friend and I love to play baseball. Love, my friend and I love to play baseball. Mother, Jake's father and mother coach his baseball team. Picture, this is a picture of Tom's brother Tim. So, we kind of went really quickly yesterday through possessive pronouns. So, if I have the name John, John is a boy, and I could say John is running. So John is my noun, person, place, or thing. And instead of saying John, 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 we'd say he, because he's a boy. Now, if we're talking about John's toy, we wouldn't say John, we could say John's toy. But if we want to use the pronoun he, we wouldn't say he toy, we'd say his toy. The possessive pronoun tells me whose it is. So is this book yours? So yours is like whose it is. Is it yours? It is mine. It is his. So these all are possessive pronouns. So instead of using a name, they're using your, yours, mine, his, and they're also telling whose it is. It's possessive. It's mine, or it's his, or it's hers. The bat is theirs. So theirs would be my possessive pronoun. Only the baseballs are ours. Ours would be the possessive pronoun. This shirt is just like hers. Hers is the possessive pronoun. Tells me the shirt is hers. Okay? So this time I'm going to give you a couple seconds. Remember, possessive pronoun tells you whose it is. So here we go. That soup tastes better than mine. So the answer would be mine. So the soup is not, that soup is better than my soup. So here's the soup. This is my soup. So that soup is better than my soup. Mine. Okay, one more. This school is smaller than theirs. This school is smaller than theirs. Theirs. Okay, it would be theirs. So this school, no, let's do it here. This school, here's this school, there it is smaller than theirs. So their school must be really big. There's their school. So this school is smaller than theirs, and it's their school. Okay, thanks for listening. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.